friends, I am back again with the new topic, Europe. So Europe is a country in the is a continent in the northern hemisphere. It lies over here. The important countries to remember are United Kingdom and Switzerland, Germany, France, Belgium, and Italy. So Europe is a very small continent, not the smallest, it's the second smallest. Smallest is Australia. It is the second smallest continent, but it contains 44 countries because the countries over here you can see so small countries are there. So because of which it contains 44 countries. And when we focus on the food of Europe, Italy has pizza and pasta. It signs with pizza and pasta. And when we talk about Greece uses a lot of olive oil. And when we talk about Belgium shines up with chocolate. And at the same time, France uses a lot of cheese in everything. When we talk about the European sport, tennis and cricket are summer sports, whereas ice skiing is famous in winters. Football leagues, various football leagues are there, like Italian football league, German football league, French football league, etc. I don't remember them properly. There is one in the UK also, I think, and that is also extremely famous, not only in Europe, all over the world. Then when we talk about the tennis, especially Roger Federer, you might have heard the name. He is a famous tennis player, and he plays for Switzerland. Now when we come to the European industry, Germany is at the top with its cars, and forestry makes Finland and Sweden prosperous. Whereas Norway has its main business as cod fishing. If we talk about the European music, you can see some part of Russia also lies in Europe, and the ballet dance make Russia extremely famous. So now we will learn some little bit about the main cities of Europe. When we talk about Paris has the Eiffel Tower, as all of you know, and is the capital of France. London over here has Big Ben, and it's a part of the Britain's Parliament. In London, it is situated, capital of England. Now the capital of Germany is Berlin, and Spain Madrid. We have the capital of Portugal as Lisbon, from where Vasco da Gama was, and we have the capital of Greece as Athens. An important country Greece was in the world history. We have the capital of Poland as Warsaw. It's a unknown country, but we can remember it as on land someone saw war. So the capital of Poland as Warsaw, we can remember in such a way. I think I don't remember the exact date, I think 1976, Russia, Estonia, Ukraine and many other countries formed the USSR. This happened very before in the world wars. It was there, World War II and all. There was a USSR. And it got separated in 1976 from the USSR. India has also taken many things in this constitution, so that was also part of Eurasia, you can say. So now we will do a quiz about Europe. Until the time we can focus on Europe and see the different small countries. Option A, cars. Option B, forestry. Option C, dance. Option D, cod fishing. So the correct answer over here is cars. Germany is a leading country in producing cars. Cod fishing is mainly done in Norway, and dance has popularity in the Russia. Ballet dance is done in Russia. Forestry makes Finland and Sweden prosperous. Where does the Big Ben lie? Option A, Finland. Option B, Britain. Option C, Sweden. Option D, Berlin. So the correct answer over here is Britain. Big Ben is also a part of the Britain's parliament. Berlin is the capital of Germany. Now when we go ahead, the question is, who is the famous Swiss tennis player? So here it's an easy question. Option A, Novak Djokovic. Option B, Dominic Thiem. Option C, Roger Federer. Option D, Rafael Nadal. The correct answer here is Roger Federer. Roger Federer is ranked 3 according to the tennis rankings. Novak Djokovic is first over there, and the second position goes to Rafael Nadal. Dominic Thiem is 4th. Next question. Which is the French cycling race? I did not discuss this. Option A, Cycle de Paris. Option B, France at a glance. Option C, Tour de France. Option D, French League. So the correct answer over here is, you can eliminate French League, as league does not mainly stand for the cycling area. So the correct answer over here is Tour de France. Now next question, we will go question 5. Where is pizza famous and popular? So option A, Germany. Option B, Italy. Option C, UK. And option D, Norway. Correct answer is Italy. Option A. Thank you. Today we have done the European, you have seen Europe at a glance and done the quiz. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you.